addition to charts, you can also use graphics to illustrate the data in Excel. Let me show you a few simple ones. We're looking at just our food and beverages data, and let's say we want to draw attention to one of the high numbers. One way we could do that is with a graphic. You'll notice that C6 has the 975, so let's draw attention to that. Go to the Insert tab, and let's choose Illustrations, and then Shapes. Why don't we pick the oval? We'll draw a circle around that cell. Just take your mouse, it now has a little plus sign, and then click and drag over that cell to draw it.
Okay, so now I can't see the number.
That's right, it filled it in with blue in this case. That's a fairly straightforward fix. On the ribbon, we have a new tab called Shape Format that just showed up. Click on the button that says Shape Fill, and we'll just go down and we'll choose No Fill.
That's much better.
Since we still have that Shape Format tab open, notice in the far left is the Insert Shapes group. We could also insert them from here. Do you see the arrow? Just go ahead and pick one of those arrows. And then I want you to start from around column F and draw an arrow towards that circle.
So that's a great way to bring attention to that cell.
Let's just click above column B. Let me show you another option. You can also use some illustrations that aren't just shapes. Go ahead and go to Insert again. Go back to Illustrations. And Microsoft has pictures and shapes and icons, all sorts of great things. We're going to look at the icons here. Go ahead and click on that. And we're going to find one icon for food and one for beverages. So there's categories across the top. You can look through those. You can just scroll through the list, find what you want. Do you see the apple on the first row?
Yes.
Let's start with that one. We'll use that for food. Just click on it. It adds the green check mark. If you look down in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see Insert One, so you know you have one selected. There's also a search box. So click in the search box and just type in drink.
So I'll choose the mug.
And when you click on that, again, you have two selected, so go down to that button in the lower right and we'll choose Insert To to put both of them in the worksheet. Now they're both selected and they landed on top of each other a little bit. Click in a blank cell, click on one of them, just drag it away so you can distinguish between the two of them, and we'll put that mug over the beverages heading. And we'll put the apple over food, and then we just need to resize them. So just click on the corner, drag it in towards the middle a little bit. Good. And we'll do the same thing for the mug.
I like adding shapes and icons to illustrate my data. It makes it more visually appealing.